Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. So today, my group will present about our topic, which is impacts of human activities on the water quality and reliability of Sungai Kelantan. Before that, I would like to introduce my teammates first. So the first one is me, Nina Fakrani, and Nur Adila Inshira, Nur Alia Kuroto Aini, and Isma Adlina. For the introduction, I will start with a brief overview of Sungai Kelantan. The Kelantan River is the largest river in Peninsular Malaysia and plays an important role in daily life, agriculture, fishing and industry. Over the years, major land use change have happened around the river. According to a study by Abdul Maulud in 2020, construction increased by 1,729%, agriculture expanded by 22%, and forest cover decreased by 40%. So, this change shows that the river basin is developing very fast, but at the same time, it may also increase environmental pressure on the river. So, this study focused on three aims. The first one is assess the current condition of Sungai Kelantan. The second one is identify visible environmental change, and lastly, propose a sustainable solution. Next, this slide shows the current condition of Sungai Kelantan based on recent data. According to the DOE River Portal, Sungai Kelantan has a water quality index of 86. This means the river is considered as clean and falls under class 2. Another research in 2025 also found the river is generally clean with an average water quality index of 84. However, the same study report that the river is still high in suspended solids, meaning there's a lot of sand, soil or particles floating in the water, usually caused by erosion or land clearing. So overall, Sungai Kelantan is still classified as clean, but the high as suspended solid show there are ongoing issues that still need attention.
Next, I will explain the visible environmental changes in the area. Firstly, erosion occurs mainly due to the sand mining and deforestation. When trees are removed, the soil becomes unstable, causing the riverbed to collapse and the river to widen. Second, land clearing reduces vegetation. During rainfall, more soil gets washed into the river, increasing sedimentation and making the water muddy. Third, industrial and settlement expansion lead to more runoff and wastewater entering the river, which affect water quality. Lastly, flooding becomes worse when vegetation is removed. With fewer plants to control water flow, the river overflows easily, and human activities are also change the river's shape. Overall, these activities clearly show the environmental change happening around the river. Next, I will explain the human impact on the river system. For the negative impact, human activities like logging, agriculture expansion, and sand mining, also illegal dumping damage the river. These actions cause more sedimentation, pollution, and lead to the loss of biodiversity because many species cannot survive in the poor water condition. For the positive action, we can reduce the damage by doing deforestation, increasing community awareness, and practicing sustainable land use. This effort helps protect the river, improve water quality, and maintain a healthy ecosystem. So in conclusion, while humans do contribute to environmental damage, we also have the ability and responsibility to take positive action to restore and protect our river system.
To protect the Kelantan River, several sustainable strategies can be implemented. First, enforce responsible sand mining practices and replant native trees along riverbanks. Second, improve waste management by stopping illegal dumping and installing more bins and recycling points near rivers. Third, promote eco-friendly agriculture by reducing chemical use and creating buffer zones. Lastly, use technologies such as real-time water sensors and strengthen community education on river conservation. The hydrosphere and lithosphere are closely linked because water flow shapes landforms and transports sediment, while land conditions like vegetation and soil stability directly affect water clarity and quality. When the land is degraded, more sediment and pollutants enter the water. But when the land is healthy, it helps maintain clean water and stable river system.
And lastly, for the conclusion, so basically the Kelantan River is super important. It supply water for our home, farms, and daily life. But right now, the river isn't doing too well. Human activity like sand mining, land clearing, and farming has made the water quality drop. We can actually see the impact. The water has a lot of suspended solid, the turbidity is really high, and the dissolved oxygen is low, which is bad for aquatic life. So, what we can do? We need sustainable action like replanting trees along the river, controlling sand mining, and keeping riparian buffer zone healthy. Community awareness is also super important. Everyone should play a part, and most importantly, we need continuous monitoring so the river can stay healthy and continue supporting both ecosystem and our economy in the future. Thank you for listening. That's all from our team. Hopefully, this will open the eye of the community to keep promoting and protecting our river for a brighter future.